unboxing video. It's me, Tarzan Daragot, aka Yotonon, you know me from Roblox. My friend is Mary Kitty. Okay, today I have a very special surprise. It's a pochita. My grandmother gave it to me, so let's unbox it. Okay, this is what it comes with. It comes with the pochita. So we have to assemble it. Here is the pochita. Here, that's how it looks like. And here's the chainsaw. We have to assemble it. And here is the box. This is the box of it. Now we're going to put the book. Here, now it's pochita. This is the one from the box. It's a gift from my grandmother. Shout out to my friend Gabby. Subscribe to her. Subscribe to her. Don't forget. Subscribe to Alfredo. Subscribe to Alfredo Nartatet the Tekken. Subscribe now.
And hit the like button.
Hit the like button and don't forget that button viewers. Okay? Here it is. It's already done. Hit reading. Here it is. Wow. Now I'm going. Okay.
They done?
He will read the book. Wait on it upside down.
Yeah. Ow. Ow.
This one is from the Victoria. Okay, here is it. It's already done. Here it is. He is reading the book. You're not allowed to see the book. Okay. Here is him in his chainsaw. This is pochita. That's on the box. He's actually reading a book and he's amazing. Like, wow, amazing. Okay, so I will. It's so cool. He looks so cool. Including this one, he's so nice and tough. And it's hard. This is actually a figure. Might buy it on Shopee or anywhere you can buy it. Okay, so this is the end of my vlog. No joke lang, it's not a vlog. It's a unboxing video. Okay. So, subscribe to our friendly, check on some more videos of us, check some more videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment. No, don't comment, just kidding, don't comment. Like and subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell icon, for you cannot miss any new videos. Okay, bye-bye. Wait lang.